Value for money, though if it is little bit wider, would be better. Good build quality, very easy to install. Amazon delivery was on time. As such, no complaint at this price point. Best item for heat. Love this product because easy to install. Super. This product is very good. Purchased on Monday. Since 2 days I'm using it and working fine. Easy to install. This is good product. Value for money. After a lot of research and comparisons, I finally ended up buying this treadmill and am very happy. It's a perfect machine for home. I have been using this treadmill over a month. These are some pros and cons which I observed. Best price point, pros -1. Closing parenthesis. Frame is strong and neatly painted, also motor is strong enough to pull people of 100 kilograms. Up to 90 kilograms I have tested. 2. Display is nice, it shows all relevant info including calorie meter, heart rate sensor, walking distance, speed etc. Modes can be customized as per our requirement. 3. Not too heavy and easy to move with the help of the wheels. 4. Good quality for the price. 5. Aux and USB pen drive input for music. 6. Closing parenthesis. Safety key is present. Once it is removed, machine stops immediately. 7. Free installation provided from the brand. 8. Closing parenthesis. Easy to fold and store in a compact space. Cons -1. No automatic inclination adjustment. But not expected at this price too. Only available in one color. Perfect for home use. Lifelong Fit Pro treadmill I purchased 2 months back, and it is working very well. Entire my family using this machine. Very useful and worthable for money what I paid. Received the item through Amazon, well packed, personnel brought to first floor, well packed and good service. Thank you Amazon. Opened myself, assembled the unit myself, through guidance from Lifelong YouTube link, just in 10 minutes, using 6 screws provided, unit was ready to use. Already used 4 times, very good item to keep fit, very good for home use, at my convenient time, all at reasonable price. Thank you, Lifelong. Very easy to install, it took only 15 minutes. For full setup, best quality, easy to use, and you can also use aux to connect phone and play music. Speaker sound quality is normal. Overall best product, I bought it only 15k. Value for money. Asterisk review is an average 25-year guy, not well built, who has never seen a treadmill previously. Asterisk very easy to install. With some brief help from my mother to lift it out of the box, I installed it all alone. Just 4 to 6 screws only. The user manual itself is 100% still. If needed, video is on the product page. I saw the video first, then read the manual. The packaging is excellent. I stay on the first floor and the Amazon guys were quite helpful in getting it up to my room. The best part is I ordered about 4 PM on the 31st of December, and I didn't expect it to reach this fast. Now regarding the product. As I previously mentioned, I am literally seeing a treadmill first time, hence I was expecting some complexities, but glad that it was very simple and easy to use. Even my mum learned it in the first try itself. Speed is good, I would say. Actually read some reviews and I was thinking it to be a walk-only type. But it speeds up to 10 km per hour and with peak HP up to 2.5. I think that's pretty good for running, at least for my kind of guy, average, not the usual macho type. Overall my first time experience was awesome. Even my mum liked it. Must buy. Good to use. I bought this product on light deal sale. It's a good treadmill with good enough features at good price. Goods. 1. Small structure, good for home too. Can be kept horizontally, takes much less space. 3. Preset programs are good. 4. Features are good enough for the price. Bads. 1. The platform is a bit narrow, that's why easy to lose balance. 2. No space to keep your phone. 3. Service is not as fast and smooth as expected. I got my installation done almost after a week. It was delivered, that too after calling, mailing, texting multiple times. It's been more than 2 weeks since I bought it. Still I didn't get my Healthify Me coupon and the coupon is for free 1-month plan after. Good, nice product. Value for money, nice for home. Using since August 19 regularly. It's working amazingly till now. No complaints on this brand. Very compact model for houses, convenient to handle as it had wheels. Fully satisfied with the brand. Thank you. Value for money product, it was a good product. It's a very good product with a very low affordable price, easy to install. I am just enjoying it. Compact and strong. Thanks to Amazon for deliver the Lifelong Fit Pro Treadmill LLTM09 within 2 days. Lifelong Treadmill LLTM09 is perfect for home use and having good build quality. 1. 0 horsepower motor with 3-year motor warranty and installation is also done timely by company. Really worth the money. Good product. Click link in description for more reviews.